Welcome to Fundamentals of Computer, Part 8. In this video, we will dive into a detailed look at the different types of computer memory. Memory is a crucial part of any computer, essential for storing data, instructions, and results. A computer cannot perform any task without memory. Computer memory is primarily divided into two main types: primary memory, also known as main memory, and secondary memory, which is also called storage memory. Primary memory is directly connected to the CPU and is known for its speed. It stores data temporarily while the computer is operating. Key characteristics include fast speed, limited storage, and direct CPU access. One type of primary memory is RAM, or random access memory. It is temporary and volatile, meaning data is lost when power is off. RAM is used to run programs and applications. For instance, when you open an app, it loads into RAM. Another type is ROM, or read-only memory, which is permanent and non-volatile. It retains data even when power is off and stores vital instructions like the booting process. When you start your computer, ROM helps load the system. Secondary memory, or storage memory, is used to store data permanently. It is not directly accessed by the CPU and is slower than primary memory. Examples include hard disks, SSDs, pen drives, and CDs, DVDs. It offers large, permanent storage capacity. To summarize the difference, primary memory is fast, temporary, and has small storage. Secondary memory is slower, permanent, and offers large storage. Here's an easy trick to remember. RAM is running memory. ROM stores permanent instructions, and secondary memory is storage. A real-life example is when you open a game, RAM is used. When you save the game, the hard disk is used. If you have any questions about the content covered in this video, please ask away. Thank you for watching this video on computer memory.